again. My name is Charlene Weldon. I'm known by Charlotte the Seamstress, and this is my friend Hemlock.
Hello, how are you? I love talking to cameras. It looks so funny when I'm talking to myself.
We are doing a show called Dragon Training School to have the kids come and learn about actual facts about dragons. Facts about dragons? How do we do that? Well, I've studied dragons for years.
Wow! How many years is that? I've been alive for a long time.
I've been studying dragons for at least 20 years now. I have 3 dragon puppets I work with. Hemlock is one of them.
Hello!
I also have Sir Yorick. He is my oldest dragon.
Yes, he's old and cranky.
He is not old and cranky. He is a new breed of dragon that they have developed called the vegetarian dragon.
Yes, he doesn't let you eat meat.
What kind of stuff do you like to eat?
I like to eat fish. Fish make your scales nice and shiny, and my eyes very clear. I see you.
And then we have our baby dragon.
Yes, little Loki. Loki is so cute. He has a pet sheep.
A pet sheep? I thought dragons ate sheep.
No, dragons don't eat sheep. That's just a falsity that men created.
But there's a few other things that people think that dragons do that they don't.
Yes, we don't eat princesses. Don't like the taste of them. They don't taste good.
But if you come to Dragon Training School with my friends here, then you will learn all about it.
So come out and see us. Where was that again? Where are we going?
We are going to the Mishawaka Penhurst Library, June 24th from 3:30 to 4:30. You can come out and meet all my dragon friends.
Yes, we have a great time. We'll talk, we'll have fun, we'll tell jokes. You know any jokes? I don't know any jokes, but I'll learn them.
And you can come out and see our show, and if you like it, you can let me know how it was, and then I will tell you where else we will go.
Yes, we might go see some Renaissance festivals and fairs around here in Indiana and Michigan, because they're close by.
Where is Michigan?
Michigan is above Indiana.
We're silly, aren't we?
Yes, we are. We're silly.
But come out and see us, and hopefully you'll have a good time, and I will see you then.
Goodbye. Bye. Bye-bye.